How to stop promotion on TikTok. Running a TikTok promotion but want to stop? Here's how to cancel safely and keep control of your budget. So go ahead and open up TikTok, and then once you're on TikTok, go to your profile. So click on your profile by clicking on the profile button, which should basically find at the bottom right corner of your screen. So on your profile, go ahead and tap on that specific video that you want to stop promoting. Click on the three dots at the bottom right, and then go ahead and tap manage promotion, and then choose stop promotion or end campaign. Confirm cancellation to stop the ad. TikTok only charges for impressions already delivered. Any unused coins or balance stay in your promote wallet for future campaigns. After cancellation, your video returns to normal. You'll see promotion ended in the promote dashboard. And that is how to stop promotion on TikTok.